Hi dear students, so welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download NEET admit card for 2026. So today April 26, after 10 a.m. you have to download NEET admit card. Now we are going to see how to download in step-by-step procedure. So first step, you go to the official NEET website. And then the home page, you have to find and click the link NEET 2026 admit card download. Now you have to enter the details. First one, application number, and then date of birth, and then security pin, that is captcha code. After this, you have to click the submit button. Now your admit card will appear on the screen. Now you have to check all the details carefully. First of all, your name, exam date and time, exam center, photograph and signatures, all are correct. Now you download your admit card and take printout. So some important instructions. In the exam hall, you must have admit card with a printed copy along with the ID proof. So follow all the instructions mentioned on the admit card. And then reach the exam center before the reporting time. So your exam will be start on May 3rd. Suppose if you are face any issue, and that is you are not unable to download the admit card. So first of all, you have to check the login details again, and then try refreshing the page. Otherwise, contact NEET help desk immediately. Download your admit card as soon as it is released. So don't wait till the last day to avoid the server issues. This is very important. So download today itself. Okay, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share your friends. And stay tuned for the more NEET updates. Thank you for watching.